Hold on, wait a minute. I know what I'm gonna build real quick. I'm gonna build a TIE fighter.
Steel. Do you have enough blocks to actually do that?
I hope so.
Drake, this Roblox character looks exactly like you.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, and Ethan looks like me. Ethan, come here. We're like the twins. Face the camera. Not. Okay. Okay. There we go.
Hey Gio, you know what? Make your TIE fighter look good.
What? Swear to God. Get that shit out of here.
Oh, wait a minute.
I was talking
You guys
about
want to
his
see
face.
my boat?
Come look at this nose!
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're welcome for that nose.
No, come here, I made it.
What? It's like a Pinocchio, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Hold on, guys, I got an idea. Oh my god.
Oh god.
I got an idea.
I'm stuck. Oh wait, I have a better nose.
Your plan's gonna make a penis. I already know. Yeah, no,
Wait a minute.
Bro, it's like it's like winter, summer.
Everyone in. Hold on.
3 boys and
Yeah.
1 girl.
Oh, I don't like this.
As the
Hey, the window.
the builder of this fucking TIE fighter, I get the captain's.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh,
Yo, dude, it's the
bro, go in third
Oh.
person. Look at how this looks.
Why am I screaming?
Wait,
Why
is
am
it
I
the
actually
controller
very?
working?
Why am I actually very proud of this?
I don't know. What is that? Why are there balloons?
Because Drake's putting balloons. But actually,
I
it'll
don't
help
get
because
why, though.
There's one part where it drops, so this might maybe help
Fly.
that part.
Fly. What is?
Wait, no,
Hold
Drake,
up
save the
something.
balloons for the part. Save the balloons for the part where we drop. If you know
Ethan,
what
you
part I'm
enjoying the
talking
view? On
Yeah.
this long trip?
Hope I
God,
don't
it's-
die.
Yo, where have I seen this before?
Oh my god.
Every time I wheeze, you must subscribe to me.
Don't
What is this
ask me what that
freaking
was.
area? Oh my gosh.
We should really have hit a cannon on the
We've
top.
we've taken no damage, guys. We're doing okay. Our thing isn't broken yet.
Not yet.
Gio, just imagine it's the lava part next.
Not yet.
Yeah, dude, I'd cry. Wait, Drake,
It's gonna
how many
melt.
times can you deploy the balloons?
Once. I think we're all
Save
Oh my
them.
god.
You fool. We're doomed.
Don't do anything.
No. Hey, there's a big butterfly out there. Can you see it?
Butterfly.
Look at it. No, I want to see the butterfly.
Uh-oh.
Oh, nice area. Wait,
No,
is it not?
No, it's not. It's not. We're gonna get.
It's throwing
Fucking
shurikens.
shurikens.
It's
Wait, who's outside? Drake,
It's
are
throwing
you
stuff.
outside the fucking thing?
No, I'm inside.
No, that's
Are you outside? What?
No, on my screen,
No,
Drake's
I'm
floating
inside.
outside.
Yeah.
Imagine
that's-
it's outside on my screen.
Our wings have sustained a little bit of damage.
Sniped.
A little bit of damage. Our left wing's about to be gone.
Oh no.
Wait, did someone fall out and die? Okay, no, wait, are we all in here?
No. What?
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
floating outside of the
no,
thing.
dude,
It
why
is.
this
I'm
one?
currently humping it.
What the hell just...
I'm outside. I'm
no.
outside. Oh no! Ah! Guys, no! I can't get inside. Ah!
Take her around that
Do
wing.
it. Ah! Take
Yeah,
it.
take
Take
cover there.
Dude, I don't want the.
Ah.
I bet you the cannon's gonna be next.
Oh. Oh
Either
no!
that or the tentacles, dude.
Or the
No,
fire.
The
Tentacles.
dishwasher.
Oh, no!
Oh
Drake,
no.
Oh no!
Just move! No!
The cars
We're
are still
doing-
coming.
We're gonna
Oh,
hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it.
Yeah, I know.
We're gonna hit this mine.
Back, boys.
Oh.
Wait,
Don't leave me! Don't leave me, guys! No!
Tristan!
I'm dead!
No! I don't want to
See you all soon!
Tristan!
Boy, stop spazzing out! Yo!
Well, in this time of peace, I'm going to go get some food. Bro, I think Ethan has found his Roblox girlfriend. They're locking eyes. This is so sweet. Ethan, if you can hear me, don't mess this up. You can do it.
Uh-oh.
You got this, bro. Okay.
Sub 2.
Ethan, I know
What?
that you found your Roblox girlfriend. You can't screw this up. She's over there. She wants you, dude. Okay.
But isn't it Geo and he's a guy?
No. No. It's a woman. No. Get back here. No. Don't leave me with Geo.
Everyone hop on a chair.
Yeah.
Oh. Good thing no one was sitting in that
Wait,
one.
who's sitting in the back?
Me.
Yeah, Tristan, you're the safest because your chair, it's the base is metal and ours is stone and Ethan's is wood.
Oh
And
wow.
Drake's, I don't even know what it is.
I don't know.
It's balloons.
This thing's kind of finicky.
Yeah, because all the fucking balloons on it.
Oh no, Ethan got the first hit.
Dude, Ethan's gonna
thing
die,
look-
dude.
This thing looks
Wait.
like a copyrighted fish. Like copyrighted. What? Why did I call it a copyrighted fish? I should have just said fish.
Uh-oh.
Wait, did Ethan die?
Okay.
No.
I'm having fun.
But you guys are
I hit a rock.
You guys are in front. I'm gonna be in back.
Oh no. Oh no.
Dude, you're
Ah.
gonna break the lead between us and Tristan.
Shh, we don't talk about it.
Yeah. You're gonna break it, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? No!
Geo, you're in the meat shield.
Guys, we have a mutiny on our hands.
Don't mute me.
It's a mutiny. Oh, Geo.
Oh,
Drake.
Uh-oh. Ethan, you need to
What
keep it
broke?
on inside. You cannot have it face forward, you're gonna die.
Oh no. Ah, I lost a block, guys. Don't break the link between me and Drake. No, don't do that.
Don't worry, we have Geo for that.
Oh my goodness, this is the most intense game I've ever played.
well, I didn't sign up to be driver now, so
I didn't know someone was driving it.
I'm back.
Yeah.
I have to go get a soda.
Oh, you left? Okay.
Don't look,
Yeah.
but you may die.
Oh, you lost a few blocks there, bud. Ethan keeps turning you as a shield. No! No!
Ethan, we lost the order.
No!
Ethan just boned himself, dude, because now Ethan's the meat shield.
No!
Yeah, Ethan, you fucked up by jumping out. You fucked
Ethan,
up,
you
dude.
messed up. Karma is
Rule
mean,
number
isn't
one
it?
of this game: you do never jump out of the boat.
Yes.
What the?
Ethan's dead.
Uh-oh.
Sorry,
Uh-oh.
Ethan.
What?
Oh,
Just a
lost.
train.
Getting hit by a fucking train.
We're
Oh my
dead.
God.
We're dead. Dude,
No.
no, Tristan's gonna get
This
hit.
isn't GTA. No, don't get. Okay.
Oh,
Oh my god.
we're so lucky.
Oh,
that they just hit
goodness.
us.
Dude, this is something.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna hit
Oh,
this
I was
lollipop.
about to smack this man. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Ah. Oh.
You know what's funny? We
Okay.
made it this far just by
Wow.
having this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Oh,
you're welcome.
Geo, get on top.
Wait for the door.
Oh,
Geo.
No, Geo.
live on, bro. Oh my god.
Oh crap.
Oh no.
Wow. No.
I'm glad that
Okay,
I
I'm
fucked
on.
everybody
Just
over.
stay there. Tristan.
No. No.
Fucked up,
Oh,
Of course you
come
did.
on.
You killed this man.
Drake, you must continue on.
Oh, we'll see how
Or
far
else.
you get with this stupid thing.
Guys,
Hold on.
wait for my
This
senior
literally looks like a coffin.
Oh, just in
Shoulder.
case I need to run into the back.
We in this together.
No!
Whoa.
Hello, darkness.
Someone wants to join. Wait!
Very cute.
Geo on the other one.
I'm in the one next
Oh
to
no, you're here
I'm the
with
one
me.
I'm the one. Yeah, I'm in between the I'm the one with the two
He's with me.
Oh no!
Yeah. Whoa! Watch yourself, you just got smacked in the
Did you
face.
jump
by a
out,
wall.
Ethan?
Yeah, but I went back in.
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
worst
nice.
thing to do.
Dude, I
Okay.
can't wait for the
Well,
one
Drake
that
is
lifts
all
up
the way
the
back
ship.
there.
You know what I just realized? The teleporter will
What?
just come off.
Well,
If
you
we
guys
hit it right.
Yeah, that's true. Good job, Drake. That was a great plan.
Yeah, I know. Oh Jesus!
I'm dying,
no
guys.
teleporter, don't die.
Uh-oh, Ethan's getting boss.
I don't. No, don't say that.
You're getting the secret sauce known as rocks.
God.
Oh, the teleporter! No.
You better hope
Yeah,
that
that's-
teleporter doesn't.
Yeah, Ethan, take the bullets for the teleport.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Ow.
Oh,
Ow.
no. No. Drake, are you just using us as a shield?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep.
Bruh. Something broke. Y'all hear that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Geo,
Oh.
are you still alive?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm still
no.
on my pod.
Look
Okay.
at my
Oh.
pod. Look at my pod.
Dude, I can't wait for the one that like launches your ship up in the air.
For real, that one's fun.
Oh my goodness, I have a cough, bros.
Oh
Don't die.
Oh no, Ethan.
What?
Pod is
I'm,
taking
I'm
the
losing
most
some
damage.
blocks. There he is.
Help me, please.
Drake is just sitting back here like a little fool.
Yeah, just next to you guys.
Drake, I hate you. I have a deep hatred.
Uh-oh.
I'm surprised that the teleporter hasn't.
I want to
been-
jump out
honestly.
and try to. I want to jump out and try to get to the teleporter, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah, you might
no.
fade
Why is
to
the teleporter
top.
purple? Do you see that?
Yeah, what the hell?
Oh, because the mushroom hit it. Bro, this graphics are next generation level.
Thanks,
Uh-oh.
Drake,
Oh,
for taking
no,
the
tactical.
Oh, the
Oh,
tides have turned. Oh, Drake, you're gonna hit a tentacle, dude. Oh shit.
Oh, we're gonna hit a tentacle. Oh!
Yo, Drake, if you had still been in that pod, you still would've been fucked.
Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh. No. Okay, you cannot tell me that doesn't sound like the
Oh, no.
aliens, dude, when they fucking shriek.
It does. Oh my
Oh,
god.
no, you guys had hit
Wave, save us.
3.
Wave, save us.
Save us!
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Okay. Oh, Ethan. Oh, oh,
No, Ethan,
oh,
no,
oh,
another one!
Oh no, Ethan, no!
I Wait, go to the teleporter.
I
No,
can't.
no,
you can't go
teleport
through
it. No, it didn't work. No, Ethan.
They disabled the teleporter.
Your teleporter
Ow.
got fucked up, Drake.
Uh-oh, I don't have
Your
a teleporter
great
anymore.
plan got screwed up, Drake. Well done.
Yeah, Drake. Yeah. Actually, wait, no. If
Drake.
Drake would have stuck with us, the tentacle would have got. Oh no. Okay, Tristan,
is
what
this?
do not jump out your seat. What is that?
Ah! Oh my
Stay in.
gosh!
We're fine.
What the heck? Oh my gosh! No, we're not fine.
We'll
like
be
now.
okay. We'll be okay.
What the hell was that?
No.
What the hell did I just do?
See, we're
Oh,
fine.
no.
Upside down.
Oh no, it's the Dude, I'm so dead.
On the bright side, Drake's teleporter thing is taking all the hits.
Yeah. Whoa. Ah.
I got stuck on the ship.
Oh. I got stuck on that. Oh. I'm on.
Tristan survived, dude.
I'm on. I don't know
How is
if I'll.
Tristan
Oh, no.
surviving? But I
don't
died
know.
first.
Oh no, it's the blocks that keep
Drake,
breaking.
are you dead?
No, don't
What's up,
break my
Gio?
ship.
Is there a seat? No, there's no seat, guys.
I'm dead.
Screwed. I'm screwed.
Guys, If it makes you feel any better,
Guys,
after the
there's
paintbrush
barely
one, there
anything.
is. After the paintbrush one is the
No.
is the blocks that like take forever to break.
Oh!
Dude,
No!
it's rigged. It's rigged.
No! Get back on! Why did I jump? No! Bro, I didn't expect a freaking paintbrush to break it in one go.
Video again. So I died.
Yo, Drake! Yo!
Fucker with me.
I don't know. I already...
Oh shit, I'm in the tank.
Oh crap, oh no!
Oh!
I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my gosh! What is going on?
Get in the tank, Ethan, get in the tank!
I'm trying.
Ethan and I are
Yo,
in the
I'm
tank.
in the ground. I can't do anything.
Oh,
How am I surviving though? Okay, there I go. I'm dead.
Oh!
I just saw the tank!
Oh!
Bro, I just saw the tank in the freaking lobby out the window just get thrown!
Oh! Yeah! That was awesome.
Like, dude.
That was me and Ethan, bro. The tank couldn't handle it.
Oh, you can see it! Doing you are floating.
Oh, get into the race cars. Get into the
Get
race
into a
cars.
car, get into a car, get into a car.
Get into a car? Okay.
There's a 50% chance that you may die though.
My favorite color, let's go. Move out the way, move out the way, host.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know.
It won't
Move,
let me
Drake.
go.
Oh, go!
You just gotta keep at it.
I can't. I'm stuck. Dude, I'm going at it. Oh my god. I'm dead. Dude, it flung me off the map. What is the chance? I just died again. Oh my god.
Go, you stupid car!
Yo,
It looks like Legos.
it took my hair.
It took my hair.
Okay. Took your afro, no!
And it kills me.
Wait, Tristan's still alive?
I'm still
Dude, how are you
alive.
alive in that
How is
chaos?
Tristan still alive?
I don't even know, guys.
Uh-oh.
I drove away from it in a car, and now I'm just running around. What are we supposed to do in the case of a blizzard?
Get inside a car.
Blizzard. Okay. I'm inside of a car. Skirt.
Oh, my tire's broken.
Go the opposite way, guys.
Dude, I lost the tire.
Oh,
no.
Actually, I'm staying here.
Dude, your
I'm
tire's
staying
broken.
here.
My car broke. My car broke.
I don't know what y'all are talking about. My car's perfectly fine.
Oh,
Lucky. Go! Okay, I'm just gonna hop into another car then.
That's what I've been doing.
Oh, your tire went off.
Skirty skirt. Like,
If I'm not going anywhere, neither are you.
Screw you.
oh, how are you still alive? Ethan, it fell right on you.
Whoa, what the hell?
Oh,
Ethan,
no,
where the hell did
guys.
you come from? Move, fat ass.
Gio, give me your hair. It'll protect me. It'll keep me warm. Oh my gosh, the things are flying. Oh, I'm dead.
Tristan died in slow-mo.
I died.
He died in slow motion, bro. Tank. I'm getting in the tank.
Yeah,
I'm
you
going
got
in the
freaking
tank again.
destroyed.
I'm going into the
Going in the tank.
helicopter.
Who wants
I
to
am
be my
such
gunner?
low health.
Alright, Ethan.
Apache, go!
I'll.
I'm gonna
I have like no
Pew
health
pew.
left.
What is?
Yeah, you
is
and
it like a?
Tristan.
Is it like a
wait,
different?
no, something. It's only us four in this game.
Wait, can you drive the tanks?
Yeah, triggers.
Can I fly this?
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh,
flash flood.
I'm
Oh.
dead! Dude, that whole
tower.
tower. Me. Oh my
Get
god.
up the tower.
Dude, there's no way you guys are gonna survive. Dude, there's no way you're gonna
Guys,
survive
get up
that.
the tower.
The flood's gonna take out the supports and you guys all gonna fall. There's no way that thing's stable. Oh no.
I freaking fell!
I saw that. Oh no. The tower.
No.
I'm still on it, boy.
What are you doing? What the fuck? He was glitching across. Did you see that? He was glitching across the map. This is like a
Wait, what?
I got murdered by that helicopter
Oh my
again.
gosh.
Dude, I'm not touching that helicopter.
It's
for
the
real.
same one.
I'm not touching that helicopter. I deny getting near that helicopter
Yeah,
again.
don't do it.
It has a
I'm
mind of
doing
its
it.
own. Yeah, of course. Look, it's trying to kill us, dude.
Uh-oh.
It has a personal stigma against Drake, dude.
Yes.
Dude, I'm gonna attack this
The
Apache
helicopter has become.
It's a transformer, dude, that's why.
Go!
No, it's
tank.
the new Terminator movie.
Oh god. Here's to praying that
Guys,
they
I'm
never
at the
make
tippy top.
I got a feeling it's gonna be like a volcano.
Terminator.
Oh, it's not a volcano.
No, Ethan, I swear if you knock me down,
Oh, you know what we should play, Geo?
I'm at
We should
the
play Shark
tippy
Bait.
top.
Oh, tsunami!
Oh no! No!
Get to the tower.
Come on!
Tippy top. This is not gonna hold.
It's really not.
I hope
Oh,
I
there it
knock
comes,
you
Ethan.
off.
Here it comes, Ethan.
Hey, Geo.
Get it.
This is
Oh,
great.
guys, prepare down there.
Oh!
Hold on, boys.
Oh!
Hold on, boys. Ethan.
Hey, Gio, wanna see something? Wait a minute, look at me! Oh!
He just exploded.
Oh!
That wiped us out.
It wiped the whole map out! Look at the map! It wiped it all out! Dude, you know what I was trying to do?
Oh my
I was
gosh.
trying to jump in a tsunami.
Remember when we played the Yoda death sound through that lightsaber?
Oh yeah.
I swear to God.
It's just a prank!
This is not working, Drake.
Yeah.
What chip? Where?
Oh no.
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh.
It's like its way in! Dude,
No,
the whole
where are
the
you?
roof is always
I'm in the chimney.
Geo, you won't come
What
out to the
chimney?
teeter-totter. Oh!
I'll do you one better.
The
dude.
roof is gone!
Dude.
Oh!
I'll sit up here.
Ah.
I died. I died!
Geo
Oh.
just got
Ah.
blown away. Oh.
Oh no. Oh!
Meteor shower. Excuse me, what? Ah!
I'm staying just right here.
Oh! Ah!
Me and Tristan just got. Where is Ethan?
Get in the boat. He's
There's
right here.
ladders!
I don't know where the
Guys,
On the
boat's
other
too
side.
big.
On the other side, here, Geo.
my God.
Ethan, get on the ladder.
I can't
Oh my
move.
gosh, guys.
Oh, ladder, my savior.
Hurry!
Get up the ladder.
shark's coming!
Ethan, the shark is gonna eat you.
I can't
Oh
get
my-
up. Oh,
Get up the
no.
gosh darn ladder. Get
That's the shark.
We're
Wait,
so
Tristan,
good.
where-
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Oh, the shark's coming.
Oh. Where?
You can hear the music. Yeah, my boat's still fine, loser.
How am I supposed to join you guys when...
Whoa! It's the shark.
What the?
It's
I can't move, dude.
Drake.
Oh no!
You're leading us right to the shark.
Drake, stop! Dude, the shark is on our ass. What do you expect me to do? Oh my god! I ruined my skirt. Oh no!
Drake, you idiot.
It's launching me in the air.
Hey Tristan,
Drake,
Tristan,
what
we're
have you
fine.
done?
It's fine, we're fine. Yeah, see, there we go. We live.
I can't run. No, he's coming back.
You are you dead?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Who's on our wreckage? It just launched me up. Did you see that?
Shark.
Ah!
I died.
Never take me alive.
Dude, that guy's boat. What is that?
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's
Guys, I'm the bear.
BS.
You're the
Are you
bear.
guys survivors?
No, we're
I'm
bears.
the bear. Oh, you guys are bears?
Yeah.
Both of you?
Geo, come look over here. Look over here. There's people.
Drake, jump. Okay.
Follow me, Geo. I see the enemies that we need to hunt and kill.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you guys?
Hide.
Where the heck are you guys? Wait, what do I look like to you guys?
You're bear.
No? I mean, yes, I am, but I don't look like a bear.
What do you
We
mean?
must have been. Wait, Drake, where'd you go?
I
just saw something.
have like a face on like a block. A black block.
Where'd you go? I just.
Where are you? Oh, Geo, where are you?
Oh, behind you.
Yeah, I know. Look, I see someone down
Oh,
there.
then we must have been following the wrong bear then.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. There's never that many bears.
Yeah. They updated it.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
I think you can hear your own footsteps.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's whack, dude.
Do you see that, Geo? Oh!
Yeah, you guys aren't the bear. I'm the bear.
Oh, Tristan, it ain't even gonna be like that, bro. Don't do this.
Good night.
That actually scared the shit out of me. No. me and Gio were looking at that fucking white thing in the sky, dude. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, I almost
just come up
I'm not
behind.
gonna lie, I almost pissed myself. Not gonna lie. Oh my god.
You're welcome. I was like, hey, hold on a minute. You're familiar.
Did he even
Oh, that's that!
Did he even believe her lies?
No, I thought it might have like loaded you guys into like a different game or something.